Hi, Derek Hedberg here with Central Minnesota Ice Racing, otherwise known as CMIR. Helpful tip on how to do ratchet strap without your strap coming loose. So hook it up, keep it a little bit loose. Then you're gonna take up some of the slack, but before it gets tight, take your tail, make sure that it is straight, tuck it into the back side, then finish tightening up your strap. Leave your ratchet strap up, stick your finger in the loop, then go 1, 2, pull your ratchet strap up, stick the tail through. Then what you want to do is you want to do about 1/3 on the far side, 2/3 on the close side. Close it up and it'll stay in. Your tail will not come out, and if it does, it's only half the tail. That's from us to you from CMIR.